How to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app as shown here. This is the homepage of the app. Next, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile section, as you can see. On this page, you'll find several options to navigate different parts of the app. From here, tap on the settings icon, which is the gear symbol at the top right corner of the screen. This opens the Snapchat settings page. On this page, you'll see various options that let you manage and adjust your account settings. Now, scroll down. Make sure you follow this tutorial step by step to avoid any mistakes. Let's continue. Tap on the option labeled Bitmoji. Once you open it, you'll find a range of options under the Bitmoji section. These allow you to customize your avatar. To change your Bitmoji gender, you need to remove your current Bitmoji. Do this by tapping on the option that says Remove my Bitmoji. After tapping it, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your action. Go ahead and tap Remove to confirm. Your Bitmoji will now be removed as shown here. Once removed, you can create a new Bitmoji, and during that process, you'll be able to select a new gender. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat.